Lauren Johnson reporting from the 3rd grade news team.
Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Weather models show that there is a blizzard heading our direction.
With this type of storm, you will expect the wind can go up to 35 miles and 56 kilometers. It will also has strong and cold wind. You will need food and have an emergency medicine bag.
It's important to prepare for this type of storm because if skin is not covered, you will get a frostbite. Did you know that
three-story houses
can be covered in snow because of the high wind? Also, some roads got shut down because it is so bad. With proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check with us